Abandoned for 20 years, monsoon rains relentless, nature overwhelming, but transformation begins even in the storm. Decades of moisture damage revealed, every mold stain, every weakness exposed. Watch it vanish, waterproofed, protected. The farmhouse learns to breathe again, with every drain, every sealed layer. As rain clears, new light emerges. The exterior restored. Lights glow warm against moody sky. Step inside, from storm to sanctuary. Feel the temperature change, the atmosphere shift. From chaos and mold to clarity, the interior awakens, scraped, cleaned, reborn. Cream walls, warm wood, a reading nook blooms. Home, not just restored, reimagined. Stillness, comfort, the perfect refuge from the world outside. What monsoons tried to destroy now glows warmly against the moody sky. Unforgettable.